Don't like the default voice in Gemini? Let's change it to something that sounds better. Here's how to do it on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then, find and select Gemini Voice. Here, you'll see several voice options available. You can swipe left or right to preview each one. This is useful if you want a voice that sounds more natural or matches your preference. Once you find the voice you like, tap Select. Your new voice will be saved automatically. And that's how to change the Gemini Voice on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.